Pregnancy feels overwhelming not because you're weak, but because you're unsupported. Hospitals in India have a 50% C-sec rate, although WHO recommends 15. This isn't because women somehow forgot how to give birth, although sometimes women are made to feel like that, but it's because healthcare is designed around throughput, not care. A C-sec is better, more profitable for the hospital because the OT gets free faster, the room turnover is better, and of course the insurance pays more for it. So it's more profitable, and that's why they push you to that. It doesn't matter if it's bad for you or not. Who cares about that? Nobody cares about that. In fact, sometimes even if you insist, even if you want natural births, they will subtly nudge you away from it, hinting around safety, etc. This is fear-mongering. This is not okay. So today we're going to fix that with a new product called Superbirth. Superbirth is the safest, most hassle-free pregnancy experience ever designed. With Superbirth, we give the choice, real choice, back to the mother. Natural or surgical, you decide. And if you choose natural birth, we will give you the best shot at it. We dedicate an entire team of experts from birth coaches, midwives, fitness experts, and nutritionists, all led by expert gynacs. The team is with you 24/7 and prepares you mentally, emotionally, and physically for natural birth. In addition to this, if for any reason at all during your pregnancy, you opt for surgical, or for whatever reason clinically you require a C-sec, you can just switch at no charge. Let me repeat that. Whether you choose natural or C-sec, or change your mind during our journey, our team prepares you for the best outcome and there is no extra cost. We also take away the hassle of you having to figure out what's in a package, how do you select it, is this covering everything, is this not covering everything, is this scan covered? No. It's very simple. Everything is covered from the day you walk into SuperHealth to the day you have your birth, and 1 year after that, we cover everything you and your baby need as many times as you need it. Every appointment, every test, every scan, every screening, it's all covered, whether you need 5 or you need 50 or you need 500. And we don't stop at birth. We cover you 1 year post-birth as well with unlimited gynac visits for the mother and unlimited pediatrician access for the baby. We also cover all vaccination required in the first year. Plus, you have the comfort of being at SuperHealth, which is an advanced multi-specialty hospital. So if there is even the rarest of complications, we have super high-end OTs available to take care of that as well. This is how birth should be. Painless, easy, simple, no hassle, and supported. Superbirth is the safest, most hassle-free birth experience ever built. It's your body, it's your baby, it's your choice. And we are here to support you in every possible way. This is what honest healthcare looks like. This is SuperHealth.